here in this dimension, this miracle to give your best. So, friends, always focusing on giving your best. Why? Never forget you are alive in this miracle of God. So, always give your 100%, give your best, and forget everything.
Looking towards the current scenario, there is a common factor which is hugely affecting our society and causing mental imbalance, and that is stress. When thinking gets evolved into overthinking, it causes stress factor, and too much of stress may lead to severe depression. When the person suffers depression, his ability to take decisions become nil, and he starts listening to his emotion, and it may lead to the unwelcomed act of life. Let me show you the report of WHO. As per the report of World Health Organization, depression is a common mental disorder. Globally, more than 264 million people of all ages suffer from depression. Depression is a leading cause of disability worldwide and is a major contributor to the overall global burden of diseases. More women are affected by depression than men. Depression can lead to suicide. Close to 75 to 85% people receive no treatment for their disorder. And this is the reason close to 8 lakh people every year die due to suicide. And this is the second leading cause of death in 15 to 29 years old. There are so many therapies and healings out there to overcome anxiety, depression, stress and other mental factors. There is one healing which I personally gone through, and I experienced the life after going through it, which not only elevates your life mentally but physically too. This therapy helps in resolving physical and emotional health issues, reduces stress and anxiety, improves focus and concentration, increases memory, better sleep, balances hormones, lowers blood pressure and calms mind. And the name of that therapy is Sound Healing. She is an holistic healing therapist, certified sound healer, Gong practitioner, internationally certified access consciousness bar facilitator, certified batch flower remedy and Mandala art therapy practitioner, spiritual counselor, awarded as International Peace Ambassador from Center of Peace Studies Sri Lanka in 2019. Designated as Global Peace Building Professional CPS Sri Lanka throughout year 2021. She is a director of Universal Wealth Center and currently a leading member and a part of so many social organizations. I welcome one and only very dynamic, very versatile personality, Rit Rupani.
Hello Rit, Columbia Magazine welcomes you to the show Know Yourself.
Great. Thank you for inviting me and giving me this opportunity.
Know Yourself is a show which is sponsored by Columbia Magazine, and in the show we invite experts from different domains to share their knowledge and their experience amongst our viewers. The main intention behind this is to educate them and to make them aware about different careers. So before we start, I will give you the overview of this program. I would be asking you some questions relevant to your stream, and I request your maximum insight over the topic.
Yes, definitely.
Great. So let me start with my first question. What exactly is sound healing?
Thank you, Anurag. So friends, sound healing is a holistic healing therapy. Holistic means it's overall, it is working on entire three things. That is called holistic: mind, body and soul. It is actually called Tibetan singing bowl sound therapy. In short, we can say sound healing, but actually that is Tibetan singing bowl sound therapy. Friends, this technique is started from Tibet and it is approximately 5,000 years old ancient healing technique. Since so many years, the monks of Tibet are using this technique for healing, meditation and curing illness and diseases. Now in India, it has also started across the country, but people are not having much awareness of it. Friends, sound healing is an alternative healing technique that works on emotional, mental and physical wellness of the people. And I would like to add more. According to the principle of sound healing, it is said that the entire universe, the human, mankind and the entire matter in this universe is made up of sound. So sound is responsible for the well-being of every matter and entire things in the universe. Yeah. So this is a basic introduction about sound healing.
Wow, that's amazing and interesting too. I would like to ask you another question. How sound healing works and what are the benefits of sound healing?
Okay. Yes. So first I would like to say it is the most natural and powerful medicine, and it helps in overall rejuvenating of mind, body and soul. In this technique, the Tibetan singing bowls, wind chimes, ocean drums, bells are used during the process, and even the kriyas, verbal chanting and mantras are used in the entire process of sound healing. We play the bowls and the waves, the vibrations and frequencies that produces from it. It helps in balancing our left brain and right brain. The left brain is the intellectual and right is the creative. It helps in balancing the brain, and even it repairs the each and every cell of our body, and it brings it to the original shape. And I would like to say that in day to life, through stress, anxiety, overthinking and lot many things, the shape of our brain changes. So the vibrations and the sounds are so powerful. When it produces, it brings that shape to the its natural shape. So, and this entire process is therapeutic. When the process starts, the vibrations are created, it takes the person to the deep therapeutic state where the person go in the deep sleep, or he or she feels that the person is not here in a different plane, or she feels like she's in a meditative state, in some trance state, or somebody feels like they are in mountains. And this entire process is therapeutic because the sounds and vibrations are so powerful. It heals the body and mind at a deeper state. The entire therapeutic process, when stops, every person have their different experiences and they come out from it, and they feel like it's their newborn. This is the process of it, the entire therapeutic process. And now I can say the benefits of it. The benefit of the sound therapy are miraculous. First, the basic thing is I can say it's a natural immunity booster. Why? Because it balances entire mind, body and soul. And even more, I can say it improves the performance of kids. Why? Because it helps in balancing the right brain and the left brain. When जब ये balance होता है तो आप 100% it sees the focus and concentration improves and the memory increases, and it helps in giving the clarity in decision making, and it reduces stress, anxiety, depression, controls anger and blood pressure, and it removes all the fears and phobias that a person carries since lifetimes. It is so powerful, and even I can say it balances all the hormones, and as you know, we have 7 chakras. It balances all the chakras as well. And I would like to add one more thing. In cancer hospitals, the doctors are using this sound therapy and the chanting and mantras for as in painkillers to remove the side effects of chemotherapy. It is so powerful. The patients, so they are giving the sound therapy and practicing the chanting of mantras. So it is helping as a painkillers. So friends, these are the dynamic benefits of sound healing and how it is working.
Wow, by hearing this, it seems to be very beneficial. Can you please explain the need of sound healing for today's generation?
Yeah. So in this thing, I would like to add that in current situation, each and every person is in stress or overthinking. Yeah, हम कहना चाहेंगे everybody is like into depression and all the time and current scenario, if we take the current scenario, the COVID. So it is every people is in stress and anxiety. So this is the need of the hour, and it is a natural medicine. It is not at all harmful. It is safe, effective, and it is scientifically proved, and it can be taken from each and every human being can take. A kid can take, elder person can take, it is safe for everyone. Even like I can say it is beneficial for students also, because currently they are not focused due to the online things and the gadgets. So it helps in increasing the memory and improving focus and concentration. It's good for kids as well. And even we can say for family, if the family are taking this session, so there is a good relation between the family bonding. It develops the bonding, because when the it is when complete the family is taking, you can see there is a lot of difference in their behavior, and daily when they practice at home meditation and kriyas, there are dynamic benefits for them. And even in corporates also, if the performance of the employee is not good, if you give them the sound healing and daily practice 10 to 15 minutes meditation, you will see the performance will improve by 100%. So these are few things, and it is 100% need of the hour, as it is safe and it can be taken anytime, and for any person can take it.
Actually, I oftenly come across with several people who are actually facing problems due to depression, anxiety, and a lot of stress in their life. And the techniques like sound healing is really going to help them a lot. Now, I would like to ask you a personal question. How you came to this profession? Can you please tell us about your journey?
Yeah, it's personal, but I would love to share. No worries. Yeah. So I would like to start. It's a bit a journey process. Like since 5 years back, I was very disturbed with my life, stress, worried and tense, because life is not going where I was thinking and all. I was totally into tension and depression. Ki what I have to do. So I was in search of some counselor or starting with the meditation. Then I came in contact with Anushka Karira ma'am. She's a renowned counselor, and I started few counseling sessions with her. Then she guided me first to take meditation, and even she used to give free meditations at Chetnavis Center. So daily I used to go there for meditation, and that was helping me out. Meditation was also helping me out. There once she introduced sound healing meditation with different therapists at Chetnavis Center. So friends, that was the turning point of my life. I experienced that sound healing meditation therapy, and I would like to share my experience. During that process of sound therapy, I experienced that I am not here in this plane. I was feeling like I was in a journey, and I was experiencing I am in some other planet, and it was so relaxing, and मुझे यहाँ का कुछ याद ही नहीं था. And as I can say that entire thing is totally therapeutic. When I came back with the experience and I went back home, it was so relaxing, so calming, and after the session also, I felt I was totally blank, and I felt like it's a newborn, because there was no thought in my mind. कुछ था ही नहीं. I was not remembering anything. मतलब it was really a magical thing for me. And after that one session, since so many months, I was so calm and feeling light with everything, enjoying nature, feeling so bright and shining, and that was really a magical experience. So after that, I started taking sound therapy sessions once a week, and it really helped me to cope up with all my things and to come out of it. And later, and I chose, as it changed my life, later I chose to go into this all holistic healing modalities and explore more. I started exploring more modalities. I took up the certification. Then one time came a call, since I was getting in my awareness, now it's a time to learn sound therapy, and as my purpose is to serve people, to empower people, and to connect people through this modality, because these are natural healing, and if you're connected through these modalities, you will never be using allopathy medicines, and that is my purpose. So I took up the course certification and I started practicing it with this, and in this way my journey started off sound healing. Yeah.
Wow, fantastic. Great. How sound healing as a career and its future scope?
Yes, friends. As I said, it's a need of an hour. It has really a good scope as a career if you are taking it, because in entire sector you can see. As in, आप देखेंगे अगर if you see in family there are problems. If you see in kids you have problems. If you see in students, in every sector we have problems, and people are facing from stress, anxiety, lack of concentration, even sleep problems, health problems, and they are not good at performance and all. And it is so really, it has good scope in all the sectors. Even you can see in corporates, at students, and you can work as a community level as well. So friends, it's a really good option to take as a career, and if you are taking the certification and all, 100% it is beneficial, and you will get good money out of it. It is really a need of an hour, and I would highly recommend that you can take up this as a career.
Wow, that's amazing. That is so interesting. Brit, can you please tell us if anyone would like to become a sound healer like you? What are the steps or education that person need to pursue to choose sound healing as his career?
Yes, friends. So, as a career, you can take up many courses. It starts from basic course, and these courses are all residential, 3 to 4 days. And even I can connect you to many sound healers. Even I am working on my online courses as well, and soon it will be launched. You can take up that courses as well. That will be really very good learnings for you. It will add up. But for a regular certification course, you have to move out from Nagpur, and Rishikesh and Bombay is the best place. There you can get the certification from different renowned therapists, and I will really help you to connect to them. And it will take 3 to 4 days, and you have to daily practice the theory part, the practical part, and all. And step by step, you have to go with the process. First, you have to start with the basic level of the certification. Then it's the advanced level, then advanced level 1 and 2. Once you have started with the basic certification, you have to practice with that, because when you are into it, you have to daily do the kriyas, the meditation, the healing breath techniques. There are many theory and practical things, and you have to tune with all the instruments, the bowls and all. It's an entire process. Once you start with the basic course, and it takes up around 6 months to tune with that. Once you are tuned with that and it's your call, then you can switch to the advanced level, 1 level, 2nd level. And I would highly recommend Bombay and Rishikesh are the best place, and I have many connects. I will connect you to them, and even you can opt my online courses as well. So friends, this is my passion and purpose. So I love doing this, and this has changed my life. So I would like to explore more and more in this very different modalities, and work on it, and to add up more to my profession. And like more I am working on my online courses, and even I have started my online healing therapeutic sessions. So more my current target is to work globally and to conduct online therapeutic sessions globally, internationally, so that I can give the awareness to each and entire people how this is working and how this is, it is so magical. Once you are connected with it, you will never have to take allopathy medicines. So my current career is that I will add up more of modalities to my profession, and to work globally and work on my online courses as well.
Brit, that was amazing talking to you. Any message you would like to give to our viewers?
Yes, friends, a short and sweet message for everyone. As I've experienced, I'm sharing this with my experience. I would just like to say, this life, friends, is the miracle of God. And being alive in this miracle is the biggest blessing for each and every human being, friends. So a small message is, never give up, never give in, and never quit in life. You are here in this dimension, this miracle, to give your best. So friends, always focusing on giving your best. Why? Never forget, you are alive in this miracle of God. So always give your 100%, give your best, and forget everything.
That was not only shortest, but was the strongest, one of the strongest message which you have given to our viewers. Thank you so much, Brit.
Heartful thanks to Anurag for calling me, inviting me in this show as a speaker, and I really love to share what a small experience of my journey. And it's just I shared how this modality changed my life, and my purpose is that to give the awareness of these modalities. These are natural and powerful modalities to each and every human being.
Thank you so much, Brit, for coming to the show and educating us about holistic healing. Thank you so much. We are so grateful to have you on our show. Thank you.
And I thanks to each and everyone for watching this show. Thank you, and God bless.
So friends, you can contact Brit personally. Her contact details have been mentioned in the description below. You can also connect her on her Facebook and Instagram account. Her Instagram account is Uni Wellness by Rit Rupani. So friends, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and comment this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Columbia Magazine. Thank you so much.